Well, here's Niall from RTÉ in County Kildare, the winner of our weather competition.
Yeah, I think it's a very cool job, and I'm very excited. The news today, question of the week: why are Irish people so fascinated with the weather? I said that the Irish weather changes so quickly, and you can have 4 seasons in one day.
Any questions?
It also is a good conversation starter, and all the Irish farmers are dependent on the football matches and all the things like that.
And then I'll have a script for you as well.
No, it's quite different with the green screen, and you couldn't actually see what was going on behind you. It's very cool, and it was very cool seeing me up on the screen. I didn't expect that you had to kind of do everything yourself and put up the mics and things yourself.
Good to go.
How are things looking, Niall?
So great news, the warm and mostly sunny weather is here for a few more days. Tonight we'll have long clear spells and temperatures between 8 and 12 degrees. Thursday will be very warm, lots of lovely sunshine and temperatures between 21 and 26 degrees. It will be coolest on the east and south coast, so don't forget to put on your sunscreen and have fun in the sun. I felt I did good, but yeah, I might actually think of doing that in the future. So thank you, and goodbye, and don't forget to wear your sunglasses because it's going to be very sunny.